Dear students, you are welcome here. My friends, I am your teacher N.K. Pandit this side, and just I will be talking regarding this political science, and from this political science, this part is civics. This is the civics part. You might have been aware or that there are different subjects under this political science. So there are geography, history, civics and economics. For this economics you need not to be worried right now. You will get this one after class 9. So this time I will talk about this civics part. So myself N.K. Pandit, Nand Kishore Pandit, and I will be teaching this political science civics to you. So the first chapter is the celebrating diversity. So just come to know about what is this diversity. What does it mean? What's the meaning of this diversity? So the meaning of this diversities are the various, means different, separate, many more. You are aware about that, in which area you might have been living. You are living, you are speaking some other language, someone just living other part of the country, they are speaking some other language. There are the various languages, there are the various religions. So I will talk about that, particularly what are the just divisions, what are the meaning of this diversity. So diversity, one just we are talking about, just take this diversity. When we are the students, we know that diversity means you are, someone might be very much strong in math, someone very much interested in English, someone may not like this Hindi, someone may not like this Sanskrit. So this is called the, so in language, in religion, I will just talk one by one. So I am talking about the diversity in this religion. So regarding this religion, you are aware about that there are the people in your area, in your locality, they are from the different religion. Someone may be Hindu, someone may be this Muslim, someone may be Christian. So likewise, there are different religions, people are living in your area, but we all, you all are living all along cooperatively. So regarding this diversity of religions, when just we are talking, you are the students, you are aware about, as I told, regarding these subjects. So someone was very much interested in one subject, and someone is an other. Now this caste system. So where are you living? Where you might have been living, there are also the people from the different castes living. So they may be Hindu, they may be Muslims, they may be Christian, they may be from this Parsi, likewise. So there are, or there is also the differences between this. So this is called the diversity. They are speaking the different languages. They are speaking the different languages. They might have been, you must have seen there the people in our country is so vast and big. there are different caste of people. So this is coming under this diversity. Next is the caste system. There are Hindu, Muslims, Christianity, Christian also, just you can say only. So we are watching, we are living from the different caste people all along. Now this economic, this diversity in economic, diversity in economic, where we are living, where you are living, you might have been, someone is very much rich, someone is poor, and someone is in between also. Someone is in between also. So this is the diversity. When you will see, you will open your eyes, you will watch, you will see, there are the different type of, different people have the different status there in the society also. So these all are supposed to live all along. They are living with the cooperation of all. Now this coming on, I am coming to this language. Language. As we know, when we are the students, we are going through the different languages, Hindi, English, Sanskrit, Bengali, different languages just we are going. The people from the different areas are going through the different languages, because just you know, our country itself is so diverse, our country itself is so big. There are the different, this states there in the country. The people from the separate just state are speaking their different languages. So just we can say regarding this language, Hindi, Bangla, English, Urdu, likewise. So the people of our country from the different part, and you are aware about also that why the separate states have been made. There are, these states have been made on the basis of this, somewhere this language also. You are aware about the languages on which the state have been divided. Just you can see the south, the people are speaking there the different languages. People who those are this north region, mostly they are speaking Hindi. So according to that also, the state is being divided through this language. By this language, it is important for the division of the states. Now this diversity in the culture, diversity in culture. Diversity in culture, what do we understand with this diversity in culture? The people from the different part of our country are speaking, and this dress code, you might have been, someone is wearing the dhoti, someone is wearing this turban, someone is not. When you will go to this Punjab, you will see the people are with the turban there on the head. When just you are coming to this Bihar area, you will see they are just putting this cap there with the gamcha, just we know gamcha on their head. But when just you will go to this Maharashtra and Gujarat, you will see the people are wearing there the cap, white cap, Gandhi topi, just we are calling this one. So this is also in culture. Culture means who those are, of which culture someone is accepting, someone is following the separate, I mean to say this, Hinduism, so our country, and this is most of in our country, there are the people of the different cultures living here in this country. So this is called the diversity in culture. Someone will be just speaking some other language, somebody will be taking the different food. This is also important. Someone is taking the different food. The people from south, they are taking the different. From this Gujarat, they are taking separate. In Bengal, they are taking separate. So likewise, there is the diversity among the people. So when people are living in the different part of our country, they are from the different diverse group, but we all are finally the Indians. We are the people from this country. But I talked about this diversity, but sometimes it might have come in your mind from how this diversity has come. How this diversity come to in our country. You are aware about also that in some part of the world, people are speaking only one language there, but our country are speaking the different languages. This diversity means you are aware about that also, the physical diversity. This physical diversity, here in our country, you might have been watching, the people from different part of the country are also diverse in physique, I mean their body part. Someone is strong, someone is weak, so someone is of long. You might have been aware about this, the people from this Punjab, Sardarji, they are of much more height. Some people of this northeast area, they are short in length. Some were black, some were white. The people from this Kashmir, they are white. But the people from the south, you are aware about that, you might have been knowing, they are black. So that depends on again the atmosphere. The temperature of this area is much more, so the people are. So this is also coming under the diversity. Why the people are diverse? So even though we know the people, we are much more diverse. Even though just we know here in our country we all are one. Many diverse are there. You are speaking some other language, he is speaking some other language, he is eating something else, I am eating something else. But even though in our country we all are one, there are many different in many ways. I tried to this explain of this chapter celebrating diversity. I hope you might have got some points through this chapter.